Oh,
Welcome to our room.
where are we at?
Where are we at?
Grand Floridian.
At the
Welcome to the
Grand
Grand
Floridian
You forgot to.
in
Daddy,
Conch Key.
Daddy, you forgot to say. Do I know you?
Do I know you?
No. No.
So what do we got
Give
here?
us a tour.
Oh,
Oh,
Looks
all my
like-
finest here.
Do it.
Robes and hair dryer.
Put it down,
Yeah,
Extra
that's your-
pillow and blanket.
Yeah, so you got some nice. There's your safe.
Me.
We'll come with Tillman here. And a look.
You can show the bedroom.
You
Tell
got
us
some
pretty
sinks,
mirror.
some makeup mirror,
Show that next, okay?
regular
And watch
mirror.
this. Wait. Somehow it doesn't work.
He's not messing.
What does it not do?
Sadie, look at the artwork right there on the
Yeah.
wall. Sadie.
Then we got your
Sadie, look at what the
toilet,
Oh, look.
tub,
Alice.
and then let's come with
Alright,
her.
so Sadie's gonna show you the bedroom.
Yep.
You stay
Got 2 queen beds.
This is
there. Check out.
Daddy's.
Uh,
This is and this is another door to another room.
yeah, and
And
you
this
got your
is my bed.
Oh, she's showing you her bed.
This is my bed.
cause that pulls down, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's a couch.
And then you got your fridge and some drawers.
Can you stop pulling me? And follow me. There's, and there's some remote.
Oh, a nice remote.
Did you,
Wow.
Did you see
And
the
look
Mickey?
at this.
Hidden Mickey. Not really hidden Mickey.
Mickey, I didn't
Towel Mickey.
I want you to show
And
my
there's
bed
Mickey's
under that.
The Mickey's
I want to
in the
see
crib.
my bed under it.
Okay.
Mama's gonna see
I'm
if
gonna try if I can do it.
she's strong. Whoa!
There's the bed.
There's Sadie's bed. And it looks like all of this is gonna be changing pretty soon.
Oh, we got it. Here's our Mickey chair.
Oh yeah, your chair and your coffee maker.
Disney coffee.
Your Keurig.
Oh, there's lots of Disney coffees. Look over here, there's more.
But then
I was just
Alright,
asking.
let's look at the beautiful view.
we get to go and see all this construction that they're doing on this other building to redo these rooms.
I'll hold you.
But you still get a pretty good view, a little peek of the view right there.
Redoing the rooms to make them like the
And
Mary
then
Poppins.
just
Right,
through
and then
there
redone in the Mary Poppins.
is Magic Kingdom.
One of my favorite things. This one is called the electrical water
There's
parade.
another pool.
Yeah, it'll be.
There's this, and it's a great view for the electrical water pageant. Not
Wilderness
It'll
Lodge.
be right there. Yeah, there's Wilderness Lodge.
So we see it right there. on the wall.
And there's Fort Wilderness over that way. It's and look.
Oh, did you get on the TV? What it
I
says?
did.
I
I
didn't
saw
see
it, the
it.
Bradshaw
I'll
family.
have to get a
Yeah,
picture
that's
of
what
that.
I said.
Okay.
I missed that. I was paying attention.
I saw it.
Did you like the room?
Yes.
Everybody like the room?
Here, Tillman, say, stand here.
It's done that before.
I know, but I didn't notice it. Sadie, come here and get a picture with your welcome Bradshaw fan.
All right, Tillman.
Leave it on.
Hey, I'm Tillman Bradshaw, and I'm excited.